operation right there. So there's no surprise why we got people like OGH, DJ Scratches, right, getting payouts, killing it. So yeah, dude, that's how you earn it. W.
Yes, sir. Getting it done. Hey, brother, I'm up like $2,600. There is no next trade idea. The next trade idea is enjoy the profits of this trade and then come back for the next session and then just try and do that one all over again. Yeah,
I got two 50 times 4 accounts, bro. The next trade is to go out and go for a walk.
Next trade's an Asian session, brother.
the next setup is a walk. I like to call it the walk.
Yeah, I'm going to answer a few more questions here, and then I'm going to just have a grand all day here.
Yeah, bro.
Let's see. The 930. Oh, I like that one. The 930 special. That's not a bad name for that.
Where, bro?
Been sitting back watching you guys take this fade. Been sitting out of it. Yup, been able to reasoning behind it. I'm staying aware of the fade. Yeah, keep sitting out. I would recommend just keep watching a little bit more. You know, really let this thing make total sense to you before diving into it. I'll put it like this. I watched it for like over a year. Whoa.
Nice mindset.
Up about 1,400 on your live account. Beautiful, man. Just lovely. Guys, everyone in the chat, you notice how all the members of TTE now, I don't even care whether it's YouTube, Clubhouse, whatever. Notice how all their P&Ls are starting to look like how mine have been, right? For the past month after month for the past year. Notice how they're all starting to look just like mine now, right? Because we're all following suit. We're all doing the same stuff. We're all following the playbook. This is what you can expect. I know I've said it 1,000 times, but maybe seeing the other people's P&L will get you more fired up than just seeing mine all the time, right? This is what you can expect when you follow the playbook. It's that simple. You want better results, follow a better system. So almost everyone's throwing up the numbers and they look just like this. Maybe someone else's red days here instead of here or here instead of there, but the numbers are playing themselves out, right? And that's the most important part.
What do we say? Money is the byproduct of following your system? This seems to be exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah. La codes, baby.
W La codes.
Yeah. All right, couple more questions, and then I'm out of here. Let's see. How many contracts do you usually do on a 50K XFA? I'd probably go like 2 or 3. What do you like?
I like 1 to 2.
1 to 2? Yeah, I say 1 to 3.
All person.
Yep. Only took it on the challenge account. Stops were a little too big for the live. That's fine. What up, Magnus? What up?
Magnus?
This is Magnus here. I see him in the chat. The Viking.
What's up, brother?
J Coop looking good. Yeah, W trade in London today too, man. That was solid. So there was another trade taken in London tonight in the clubhouse. That was right around London Open. Here, 3. Yeah, right here. Yeah, 330. Beautiful trade. So very similar, like just a simple onion play right out of the playbook. You have price moving on up, right? We come down, we create support, we break the lows, next candle gives us a lower wick, entry on the break of the highs, target tapped on this resistance, and then partials taken, full TP at the wick, and look at that. You know, they got their partials and moved along. So that was a picture perfect trade right there in London today.
Beautiful trade. Goldie at all-time highs, no problemo, right? We wait for our onion to go back up.
Tell me London ain't heating up over the past couple weeks now, right? There's going to be that quarter 3, quarter 4 price action coming at you now. So get ready. Get ready. It's heating up.
May have to start pulling off for London Open. We'll see.
Yes, sir. Might be. Playbook 3.0 on YouTube yet? Keep annoying me a little bit more. Keep bugging me about it, and I'm sure I'll get it up there at some point. Yeah. Let's see. Webinars are recorded live. Yes. Trades taken live. Yeah, all that good stuff. If I join the clubhouse now, will I be able to trade with the team? Yes. Yeah, but we probably won't be taking any more trades now until Asian session tonight, Ryan. But yeah, welcome in, brother. Come on in, join the revolution. We're getting free over here. We're introducing more and more people to the land of the living, baby. Where you don't have to live as a slave to your 9-to-5 job or to the dollar bill, but you can fix your thought process and ultimately fix your life.
Yeah. YouTube, man, YouTube. Who wants to trade Asian session with us tonight?
Yep.
Go pull up. We're missing you there, man. We want to catch some pips for you in Asia. Pull up in the clubhouse.
DJ Scratchers knows the vibes. Know the playbook. Follow the playbook. Trust the playbook. Simple.
Yep.
And have we not been preaching this for like years now? Like we've been preaching the same thing for like 3 years. Hey guys, just follow the playbook. Hey Nick, how you did that? I just follow the playbook. You know, like I mean, it's not that. You don't have to be a genius.
Know the playbook, follow the playbook, trust the playbook. I love it.
Oh, the Big M said Master Playbook 2.0, then you'll be able to afford a clubhouse for 3.0. I like this guy. I like that. The Big M. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to the Big M. Makes sense.
I don't know what anyone's plans are today, but we need to stop what we're doing right now. We need to all go watch Playbook 2.0 video right now. Right?
That is true.
And then after that, go watch Mark Douglas, Mind Over Market, and then come back and join the clubhouse and come ready for Asian session, ready to go.
Yeah, and whatever you do, do not let all this winning distract you from the fact that Hector's going to be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines, and on top of that, he just went into Harry's and bought 3 T66 turbos with NOS and a Motec exhaust system. So don't let all the winning distract you from all that going on.
I got you.
I swear, I'm using that. I'm using that from time to time.
That's hilarious, bro. Damn,
Oh, snap. Pass the Lafetti Holmes.
Might go watch that movie.
I actually did watch it last night.
Damn, bro. Maybe that's my movie after Asian tonight.
Yeah, there you go.
You said you watched that last night?
I did. I fell asleep though.
Bro, we watched the Fire movie too this weekend.
Yo, that was good.
Word,
Anyone ever seen the movie? What was it called?
Bro, I don't even know. I think it was called Nerve.
Nerve? Yeah.
It was kind of like a metaverse type of movie, you know.
It was a prediction of today.
Off.
It was basically they were predicting TikTok pretty much.
Pretty much, bro. It was like this truth or it was like this dare game, like online dare game, and people made money off of it. It's pretty cool.
Like they try to go viral pretty much.
Pretty much.
By doing stupid things. Yeah, kind of sounds like 2025.
Sounds like TikTok.
Why does my bank keep declining this? I would email us at info@timedtrading.com. TK will help you out as soon as possible. Not the spoon engines. I thought I blacked out. Yeah. Gonna need overnight parts from Japan. Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are funny. Do I ever take more than one position? Yeah, we did that a few times last week. The week before, we took like 2 positions in the same session, but very rarely do I do it. You know, I'm very big on that 1 to 2 trades a session and just keep it moving.
Yeah, that's like 1 trade for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yes. By the way, anyone who joined on the 16th, you guys, there's still 10 of you, I think, or 7 of you that have to get your accounts. I'll get those accounts over to Top One and all set up, so you should have them by tomorrow. Yeah, I appreciate your patience too. Thank you guys for not messaging us or emailing us and just being very mature about all this. I didn't want to put in a whole bunch in Top One at one time, so I had to split them up. So appreciate your patience. And yeah, the rest of you guys should get your accounts at some point today.
iyo ngayo
Very
ishobora no
mature
kutabanjye
group that
navugaga
joined
iyo
on the
boro
16th.
ya
Very mature
FVG
group.
yabonsingiyemo
Must
ku
say,
minota
I must
3
say.
W.
aho hasi.
Yeah, if it got declined, I would just email us, and then yeah,
Oya
TK will help
nayo
you guys out.
wayimakinga ishobora no
What time
kudashyikira
did we start,
hejuru
Asian?
reka
We start at 8 p.m. Eastern. So we did make a little time
ejo
switch
itaninjye
to
aho
the
ngaho iri.
clubhouse, and that time switch was for the pre-New York session. So let me just make that announcement really
ikamanuka
quick. If you guys are in the clubhouse
still
currently,
ntabwo wajya
just make sure to go
usibye ko nayo indi
see
minota
the
itatu
quick little
avugaga
change that
ubwo
we
niyo
made here in the
ifominze
pre-New York session. So instead of us starting at 5:45 and ending at 7, we're now going to be starting at 6:30 a.m. and running it to about 7:45 a.m. Yeah, so that was the change that we just made. We're also going to be doing a price increase on the clubhouse. So if you guys are currently in the clubhouse, as long as you keep your memberships, obviously nothing will change for you. And we're going to make that price increase in about 1 month. So we want to at least make people aware of that. So in case you've been looking to get in, you guys can get grandfathered in at that 150 price. In
tegereze
1 month's
mani
time, it's going to go up slightly. So just so you guys are aware of that. But if you're already in, don't worry. You guys are good to go. There's just too much value, too much money being made. So we gotta make it happen.
Some of us are in right now for 110 or whatever.
boro yanabonsigiye hari danje.
Right? Anyone who's
Ni
in at
kuri
150,
nuza
let's be those who are still
ni
in at
kuri
111. Let's stay grandfathered.
ni kuri both
If I'm in the
inuza
clubhouse, I'm not getting out.
opening
I'm
gap
staying in because
y'icyumweru
it's
hakaba
an investment into my education.
na opening y'umunsi saa sita za
My value as
nijoro.
a trader, so it's definitely worth the investment.
Yes,
so I
sir.
would do my best to stay grandfathered in.
Yes, sir. Got in at the yeah. There you go, Aaron. Yeah, and by the way, this was all brought to me by the clubhouse members, right? You got to increase the price when the value's there, and the clubhouse members themselves are saying, "Hey, Nick, when are you gonna up the price?" So that's what we're gonna do, but we're gonna give everyone a whole month. So I'd say that increase will probably happen around mid-October.
And a slight increase, right? We're lucky Nick ain't going crazy with it.
Yes. Yeah, we'll still keep it relatively there. Probably go from like 150 to 200. Yeah, and yeah, if you guys are running through your trading and all that through your businesses, Clubhouse, all your accounts like your combines and evals, those are all business write-offs, gang. Don't forget about that. So don't forget to write those off on your business here, like when you do your taxes and whatnot. Make sure you keep all your statements. Keep everything. The increase will apply to Clubhouse members who are already here. No. So just like there's members in the Clubhouse that when we first did the Clubhouse, we put a special for $111, right, before we increased it to $150, which was the normal price. So there's actually people still holding on to that $111 membership, believe it or not. $111 a month for the Clubhouse. So anyone who stayed with that membership still pays that $111. So as long as you keep this membership, you'll never pay anything more. Yeah.
You guys are G's.
Yeah, shout out to Melvin. Melvin's paying $111. Aaron's making 30 grand a month paying $111 here.
Aaron's robbing.
Yo,
Aaron's robbing.
Aaron owes me some hibachi or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to all the 111s, man. Shout out to the 111s. AJ at 111 still. Nice, bro. Nice. Yo, that ROI is crazy. Oh, snap. We got some 111s.
Props to y'all, man. Props to y'all.
AJ 111, J Mac 111, Project Toro 111, J Coop 111. What the heck?
Awesome.
Oh, snap. TK.
Keep it up. If I'm at a 111, bro, that's for life. I ain't losing that. In the Clubhouse this week for sure. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, hey, regardless of the
price, this, that. Like honestly, if you're looking for a great place to learn the game, to study the game, to get around like-minded individuals, to really just take your life to the next level inside trading and outside, the clubhouse is the place to be. I'm not saying that; they're saying that, right? I'm agreeing to it, right? But the clubhouse members are the ones doing the talking, and that's who you really got to listen to, not me.
Yeah, Dominic, exactly. Those are our grandfathers of the clubhouse right there.
Dominic's at 111. My
Hey,
goodness.
ushobora kongera kuzamuka ugakoramo rimwe hejuru
with everyone that kind of got in and got out,
ujya kubona
Dominic's
ukabona nka saa
actually
tanu iri
been holding
kumanuka
his
uzi
membership
ukuntu izo
the
boro zitera
longest.
umujinya
Even if it's just by a couple minutes, he's got the longest lasting membership up until this point. Jay Coop got the elite for 1,400. My goodness, Jay Coop, smart man.
Jay Coop.
Smart man.
Right there.
2,200 on my XFAs in 5 days. Should I take a payout or run up some more? Mason, have you taken a payout yet? I think I did see you take a payout, right? Pretty sure I see Mason take a payout. Matthew Mason, yeah.
Is it only on one account, Mason? If it's on like 2 or 3 accounts, I may take it, but
yeah,
it's all personal.
Yeah. I mean, I always encourage you if the payout's there to take it, but if you really want to build and stuff like that, then just I would flip a coin. I'd throw a coin up in the air, and whatever I would put heads, I take the payout. Tails, I keep building. Flip it, and while it's in the air, whichever side you're hoping the coin lands on, pick that. So if you flip it and you're low-key hoping it lands on the one to give you the payout, just take the payout. Don't even worry about how the coin lands. But yeah, great job, Matthew, 2250, Mason 2250, Aaron, Paul 2250 as well last week. These are some of my withdrawals that I've taken off the live account, plus another 10,000 that wasn't there last week. Aaron moving over to a live account, taking like 25,000 in payouts. Incredible job. Another $2,200 payout from Zachos. Paul on the board here running his live account. I mean, we got AU Trader celebrating with a little Corona, celebrating the profits. Giselle moving on, getting paid. Wokey getting paid. I mean, it's like it just don't stop here. What a last. I mean, this is a 9/16 gang. So all the other guys, they show you their Discord, but all these posts are from like 2025. Right? This is just from Monday last week, gang. From Monday last week. So we're moving and grooving here. You got more $2,700 payouts, more people getting funded, more profits. I mean, it's. We just let the money do the talking at this point. 5,800, nice, beautiful. Rabba, let's go. 2,200. So the clubhouse is where it's at. I'll just say it straight up like that. Like. Clubhouse is where it's at. This is a $8,000 payout that I did. Aaron coming through with another big one. He don't even want to share. That's how big they are. So yeah, we're moving, man. We're moving. It's just the last 2 weeks. 8,300 from Nate G getting things done. Grateful Trader 2,250. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. 7K withdrawal from myself. What do we got here? $2,500 withdrawal. Yeah. Nothing else to really be said. So, no, man, just go out and get yours now. Who's next? That's what I want to know. Who's next? Oh, Golden Dubs 2,250. Okay. Let's get it. Yeah, congrats, everyone. Yep. All right. Who's next, baby? Who's next? I think we're done for the day, my friends. I think we're done here. Aaron says he can share, but y'all gonna be like, damn. There you go. There you're getting. Garrett, yeah, we're good to go, brother. Give me about 15 minutes, and then we'll rock and roll, all right, bro? Yeah, I got to jump on a leak call, or not I get to. I've been looking forward to this one, too, with Garrett. So, yeah, we're going to get moving here.
What a Savage Elite member, too. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
What up, Garrett?
The next trade ideas. So let me leave you guys with a couple final thoughts. My bad, John.
There you go.
And then we'll get out of here. Cool. So Goldie, Goldie. So our 4 hour did close bearish. I would assume that we could start to move down here. 1 hour is really, really choppy here. Just a bit sloppy. I think the sells are okay on this candle here. 15 minutes all chopped up now. So I personally think, yeah, this is no good here. This is no good. So if you can really look for potential buys out of like 48 here, that might be the best, or sells from like 56. Other than that, you'll most likely trade within this range the entire session, right? The entire rest of the day here within this range here. So possible buys from down here, possible sells from back above, and I wouldn't bother too much with gold here today on the Monday. Yeah, it's really, the session is pretty much over, right? Most of the volume is kind of out. So I wouldn't really mess around with that. ES did exactly what we kind of wanted it to do here, but it didn't really give us a closure. So ES might be shaping up for potential sells, right, as we come into this overall area. I personally wait for the range too, right? So I'd go on like a 30-minute time frame here, and I'd see how we're going to react. What I would look for is potential sells now, but not off of this closure here. Right, let that closure go down, wait for candles to do something else, maybe even give you another range, wait for a brand new support to form, and then sells may be valid at that point. But I would definitely not take the first sells off the first bearish closure here. Let a little range go down, and then you can say, hey, I got buys above to fill the wick, sells below to keep moving down in this clean range, really down into here, and then that's it. That's it, my friends. Other than that, it's Monday. You know, if you're profitable, just get the heck out of here. You know, run. Run. Get out of here as soon as possible.
Secure your profits like you just robbed the bank, fam.
Yes, sir. All right, cool. I think we're done here, my friends. Good job. We came, we soared, we conquered, and now we can move on to the next day, right? Great trade today. It was enough to get us some profit. I think I'm going to walk away with about $2,500 in profit today, and that'll be enough to get me to chill out until Asian tonight. So yeah, if you guys are thinking about joining the clubhouse, you know, join once you can. You know, you don't have to join today, you don't have to join tomorrow, but I would put it on a priority list. I'd get in and I'd get that thought process and that technical analysis skill set up, so that way you can start seeing some profits and some P&Ls the way you know, these other members are seeing. So hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy it. Dance with me on the way out of here a little bit, all right? Y'all be blessed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the New York session. If you guys are in the clubhouse, I'll see y'all in Asian tonight. Deuces, my friends. Have a great day. Love y'all. Johnny Gems. Love you, G. See you on the next one, brother. All right,
Peace,
my boy.
Peace, fam.
All right, chat.
Bless y'all.
Love y'all. Have a great day. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I sign with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me, and when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. I'm eager to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a scene, still a seat, filler, blow up the numbers, and I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul, oh so great. Stay paid by the boatload, don't go chasing a wave from a rowboat. Blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling. They want the spot, but I do not cut them in. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling.